2023 GMC Yukon. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.